The Japanese government is considering to relax restrictions on exports of second-hand military equipment including tanks and missiles, and is exploring the possibility of such supplies to India, Vietnam and Philippines free of charge, as this measure will strengthen Japan's military cooperation with other countries in the region. If these relaxations are adopted, they could come into effect by the end of fiscal year 2023. Hindustan Aeronautics has started the development of the Hindustan Lead-In Fighter Trainer, also known as HLFT-42 program, that will be a highly cost-effective training solution. The Hindustan Lead-In Fighter Trainer will not use composites, and will be an all-metal aircraft, and the digital fly-by-wire system will be replaced with the power-assisted flight control system. L&T officials have said that the Indian Navy has not shown much interest in its SOV-400 midget submarines program, even though the Indian Navy wanted 2 midget submarines initially, and 3 midget submarines at later stages for covert operations, but the SOV-400 doesn't seem to fit the bill. The emergence of low-cost options like autonomous extra-large unmanned undersea vehicles that could carry 2 lightweight torpedoes, lay mines and can carry payloads for coastal surveillance for fraction of the cost is seen as an alternative. L&T officials have said that it has no plans to develop any prototype due to the high cost that is required for its manufacturing without getting backing from the Indian Navy, but will continue to work on improving its design and capabilities to attract buyers from the export market. The Indian ambassador to Argentina met with the Chief of Joint Staff of the Argentine Armed Forces as a follow-up meeting after his recent trip to India, where he and his team visited the Hindustan Aeronautics facility in Bengaluru to check out Tejas Prachand light utility helicopter. Argentina is likely to announce the winner of the 12 fighter jets tender by end of this year. That will be followed with 20 more locally assembled fighters under completely knocked-down licensing agreement. The Indian Navy has said that it will not allow the Chinese missile tracking vessel Yuanwang 6 to enter India's exclusive economic zone that extends up to 200 nautical miles into the sea. Foreign vessels including warships can freely sail through the exclusive economic zone, but the Indian law forbids the sale of any survey, research or exploration vessel of any foreign nation without permission. China has deployed the Yuanwang 6 to the Indian Ocean region to track India's upcoming Agni Prime test, and the Indian Navy has said that it is constantly monitoring every movement of the Chinese vessel, and the Navy has the capability to even find out what the Chinese vessel is tracking. The government plans to construct a 2,500-meter-long airstrip on Minicoy Island that will allow larger military and passenger aircraft to operate from the airstrip. The project is strategic because Minicoy is the nearest island to Kerala, which is one of the Navy's largest bases, and the airstrip will help in observing the shoreline, which is used by both China and Pakistan, along with strengthening area dominance and boosting tourism. The Chief Nodal Officer of the UP Defence Corridor, retired Air Marshal RKS Badaria, has said that the UP Defence Corridor is on track to realise its estimated investment potential of 50,000 crores, and Memorandum of Understanding for investments worth 12,000 crore rupees had already been signed with private companies and institutions, and many fruitful discussions are underway with other companies looking to invest in the corridor.